airless ball. Bounce. But first, check out the new shoes that I got. The old red ones had a hole on this shoe, but now I got better black ones.
Brand new ones.
But they still have a little sand on them since outside.
What are they for?
Basketball in school.
Basketball. And what have we got here?
The airless ball.
Little bouncy ball. It's like a
Since it's not that
tennis ball.
flexible, it can bounce properly.
Bouncy is good, doesn't it?
See, if it's flexible, then it'll just go and will not bounce, but really flexible.
Alright, show us how it bounces, show us some skills with it.
That's right now printing an airless basketball, but it's taken 2 days.
Airless basketball. So we're gonna make a big one that's a proper basketball.
I can't wait. I really want to know if it bounces.
You think it'll work?
But if it doesn't work, then it's wasted. But if it kind of bounces, then we can get better film, which fans probably going to.
Show us some throwing.
And this is me.
And this is jumping. Oh.
I really like one.
Don't go too crazy.
While I'm waiting for the big basketball to finish printing, I've been using this ball. I used to have a small basketball ring, but it got dilated when I started dunking and putting it on walls. The Airless basketball is a lot of money. It can be $15,000.
$15,000?
Yeah, $2,050.
$2,500 US.
Yeah.
To buy one. From Wilson.
Wilson is like it's like 10 grand more, probably more than $10,000. Depending on how good they are and bouncing, would probably be depending on the flexibility and what they look like. But I would say they'll be sold for a good $1,500.
Oh. We're going to try and print an airless basketball. You think it's going to work?
Depending on how flexible it is. We need a lot of layers though, because the less layers, the more flexible. The more layers, the less flexible. Airless basketball. We got this, and now we got this.
Show us how squishy it is.
Wait, one thing that I learned at school with it.
Oh! Question is, will it bounce? Oh.
It works, but too
squishy.
It's too flexible.
So, Daddy made it too squishy. We
need more layers.
Need to change the material and try with a different material.
Or do you need
this
more?
One took a long time to print.
2.5 days or so.
So we'll order a new filament, new material, and we'll print it again. Let's see what it's like for shooting. Because it's not so bouncy, it might be better for practicing, because then it doesn't bounce into next door's garden like we keep getting.
Signature.
Good job. Good training ball for shooting. And it weighs the same, really, doesn't it?
Spiderweb. Ah.
Swoosh. It's done. Long shot. Oh, good job. What do you reckon that distance is at? Ah! What distance do you reckon from the net? Let's have a look. So there's the net underneath, and we've got 1, 16,
Just 16.
16, 17 feet. Let's do it from here, which is about 20 something feet.
That might be 21. Just 21.
Nice.
Oh, right.
Which one do you think will bounce better? The 3D printed or the normal? Which one do you reckon? You reckon the 3D printed one? They both bounce the same?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's drop them.
I'm ready for the
Set them side by side and a clean drop. Oh! Give
Let's
them
try one time.
Okay.
This one bounces better than this.
Which one do you think is going to bounce better?
This one.
That one. Let's have a look. Alright. Ready. 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Drop. Ooh.
This one did! This one did! Hooray! Listen to that sound. Listen to the sound of this ball. Listen to the sound of the ball. I rather prefer this one inside. Really silent.